If you've ever struggled with staying on top of your habits, using time tracking tools can be the game changer you need. Today, we're diving into how to use these tools to build better habits and optimize your day-to-day life. Stick with me until the end, because I'll be sharing a secret about the best tool I've used and giving you an exclusive free trial to try it yourself. The first step is understanding why time tracking is crucial for habit building. Tracking your time lets you see exactly where your time is going. Are you spending too much time on things that don't align with your goals? Or maybe you're procrastinating without realizing it. A time tracking tool helps you spot these gaps so you can address them immediately. Start by setting clear, specific goals. Time tracking is most effective when you know exactly what habits you're trying to build. Whether it's working out daily, writing every morning, or focusing on your professional projects, the tool can help you measure the time you spend on these activities. Once you have your goals in mind, input them into the software, breaking them down into small tasks. This gives you a roadmap to follow, making it easier to track progress and adjust when necessary. Next, start tracking your day in real time. As you go about your day, make sure to log each task you're working on. Many tools allow you to categorize your tasks so you can easily see which activities align with your habit building goals. For example, if you're trying to read more, log your reading time every day. Over time, you'll start to notice patterns and habits forming. The real magic happens when you analyze your data. After a week or two of consistent tracking, take a look at your reports. Does the data show you're sticking to your habits? Are there any time drains you hadn't noticed before? This is the key to using time tracking to build better habits, consistently reviewing your progress and making adjustments. But here's where it gets even better. Our software allows you to set reminders and alerts, ensuring you stay on track. If you're aiming to work out at 7 a.m. every day, you can schedule an alert to remind you. This simple feature can significantly increase your chances of sticking to a new habit. I've tested many time tracking tools, but this software stands out because of its simplicity and effectiveness. It makes habit building easier than ever. And as a special offer for my viewers, there's a free trial of this tool exclusively for you. Check the link in the description below to grab it and follow along with me. To wrap up, remember the key takeaway. Time tracking isn't just about tracking tasks. It's about identifying patterns that help you build better habits. Start by setting clear goals, track your progress, and review your data regularly. And don't forget, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. It's the perfect opportunity to kickstart your habit building journey with the right tool. Thanks for watching.